Hi there. Have you ever heard the term arc fault protection, and have you ever wondered what it actually means? My name is Westley Franks. I'm the owner-operator of Hat Home Inspections in Medicine Hat. I'm a licensed home inspector and a certified master electrician, and you are on the home inspection today. Well, today on this home inspection, we are talking about arc fault protection. Arc fault protection simply protects your home against fires. And arc fault protection is available in several different ways. It's a relatively new form of electrical protection that came about a couple codes ago. We put it in bedrooms only. Now, almost all outlets in your residential home are required to have arc fault protection. The most common kind is a breaker. This is an arc fault breaker, and we just put it right in the panel. We connect a branch circuit to it, and it protects the circuit against any arcing that's not normal. This won't trip if it detects arcing of switching or of a small motor running, but it will trip if there's any kind of arcing caused from a problem in the circuit. We can also use an arc fault protection receptacle. This will protect anything plugged in here as well as anything downstream we can connect to the load side. We also have arc fault protection feed-through devices with no receptacle. These are more common on older homes where we're retrofitting and we're going to add some circuits, or we want to protect existing circuits. We just put a bank of these near the panel, and we run an armored cable from the panel into here, and then out of the load side of this, we run to the outlets we want to protect. So another question I get is, I'm renovating, do I need arc fault breakers? Well, if you're adding new receptacles in your home, if you're adding receptacles in the basement, yes, you do. You need arc fault protection, either in the form of a breaker, a receptacle, or a feed-through device. If you're just changing a plug in your house, you don't have to put an arc fault protection on that. And the Canadian Electrical Code and the City of Medicine Hat will allow us to add on to existing circuits as long as we use an arc fault breaker on the first plug that we're adding on to. Then we can go and add some circuits on. They really want anything new that we're installing to be protected by an arc fault. If you have aluminum wiring in your home, one good way to give yourself some peace of mind about the fire hazard of aluminum wiring is to install some arc fault protection on those aluminum wiring circuits. So we would install a feed-through device, and we would pull the aluminum wiring circuits out of the panel, run them to these feed-through devices, and then from here we would connect the circuits of the home. Having arc fault protection on your aluminum wiring is just another way to protect your home against fire. I highly recommend that we do the pigtailing for the aluminum wiring as well. We splice the aluminum wires together onto a copper wire with the proper connector and the proper anti-oxidization compound. If you'd like to learn more about aluminum wiring, you can check out my previous video on aluminum wiring.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. If you got some value out of today's video, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you'd like to ask me a question about today's topic or a question about your home, you can leave your questions in the comments below. I always read them and I always reply. Or you can just give me a call or a text anytime. Contact me today to book your home inspection and find out if the home you're buying has any hidden surprises. If you'd like to book online or learn more about all the value-added services I offer with every home inspection, you can visit my website at hathomeinspections.ca. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on next week's episode of On the Home Inspection Today. And remember, you're at home in the hat with Hat Home Inspections.